loves, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Bam, and today we're going to be talking about why I love my Fitbit Charger 3. Y'all, this thing has been a lifesaver for me. Why I have been on my fitness health journey. So I have the Fitbit Charger 3, and it is the advanced fitness tracker, and I just love this thing. This really has changed the way I work out. I count my calories, and I just keep up with how much I'm moving my body in a day. Like, I just love the Fitbit in general. I had the first charger that came out, and I bought that in 2015, and I literally this year, like 3 months ago, just got rid of it because it basically fell apart. It died on me, y'all. And it's just a really durable product. So about 2 months ago, I purchased the Fitbit Charger 3, and it came with the plug, which I love about the new Fitbit. The charger ports are so much easier. Like, you don't have to worry about them to fall out. You just clamp it in and put it on the charger and go. It locks in. The old one, you just have to like stick it in, and if you moved it or if it fell, it would kind of like pop out. But with this one, you know your Fitbit is going to charge. Also, the battery life on this thing is freaking awesome. Okay, I can get a good 6.5 to 7 days before it's time to put it on the charger, and then at that point I got 2 hours left, because the dang thing lets you know when it's about to go sleepy bitty bye. Okay, so y'all, when I say I love the Fitbit Charger 3, I am absolutely in love with it. Not only am I just in love with the watch itself, I'm in love with the company. Okay, so I had to come on here and give my honest review, even though I know I'm late. Plenty of people have had this thing and talked about it. So I got my Fitbit charger on July the 16th, okay? About a month and a half ago, it started acting real janky. It stopped like tracking all of my steps. The heart rate kind of stopped coming, started going in and out. And I noticed that it was not picking up all of the things that I was doing like it did in the beginning. Like, this thing picks up your heart rate, your movement. It tells you, it can sense whether you're biking, if you're doing the elliptical, if you're swimming, if you're running and you walking. It also has a GPS device in it, so you can literally push the little device and it will tell you on Google where you walked, how far you walked, and it just tracks your whole walking. So if you're gonna do some illegal shit, leave this at the house, okay? Because it literally tracks your movement from street to street, from block to block. Okay, so if you have a small child, I definitely would recommend you getting them a Fitbit, because it is an easy way to track your children. All you got to do is just click on your little Google thing, go into Fitbit, tap in, and it'll show you where you've been, or where you're at, or where they at, or where they be, so they can't sneak off. You know what I'm saying? So I think that's a really good feature. Nevertheless, I digress. So I started having a lot of problems with my Fitbit, and I was just like, this is not normal. I started looking up like how to reset everything. I did all the reset. I watched some videos, and I was like, I think it's something wrong with this Fitbit. And I called the 1-800 number, and first I got the runaround. They sent me to India. I hate when companies do that. Like, they send you to another country and then they give you a false name. Your name ain't Linda, girl. Okay. So I was on the phone with the first person for about 30 minutes, and they wanted me to go through all of these steps. I'm like, no, it's something wrong with it. I reset it. You could, log in and check it. It's just not doing what I need to do. So finally, she sent me over to Ashley. Now, Ashley was a real Ashley. Okay, so she sent me over to Ashley. Ashley logged into Fitbit, and she saw that it had not been tracking my heart rate, that it was not tracking my steps, it was not tracking when I was walking up and down flights of stairs. She literally zoomed into that baby and was like, sis, your Fitbit has a glitch, and we're going to send you another one. So literally, I got on the phone with Fitbit. I dealt with the first person for 20 minutes, and then after that, I got on the phone with Ashley, Ashley, okay, may I remind you, she worked for Fitbit. She works at the call center. She got me together less than 5 minutes, y'all. Like, the customer service was excellent. I really appreciated the customer service on the second end of the call, because they literally went in, checked in to see what all was going on with the Fitbit, and once they realized that, you know, something was wrong with it, they emailed me something. She stayed on the phone with me why the email was sent to me. I filled out the paperwork. Like, I filled out the little thing about my Fitbit and everything. And on Saturday, I called them on Monday. And on Saturday, my Fitbit was here at my house in the mail. So basically what they did is they just sent me this part right here, because I already had the band. I just basically unsnapped the band off the old one, reset it, and it picked up right where the other one left off, and it was Gucci, baby. So one thing I have to say about the Fitbit is that the customer service was delicious. Okay, you definitely get what you're paying for. So when I originally bought this one, it came to $119. I think they around $151, something like that. It's worth the investment, y'all. If you don't, it's worth the investment. They have a 1-year warranty. And then you can get an extended warranty sometimes in the store. So with Fitbit, they give you a 1-year warranty. But some people say they're overpriced. I think that it's a good investment for your health. Literally, if you are a female, this will help track your monthly. It will help keep up with your calories. If you're trying to see how many calories you're eating in a day, honey, all you got to do is click into your Fitbit, honey. Hit the little food thing, the barcode, scan the barcode, and it logs all your calories if you scan it. And then if it's something that can't be scanned, you can type it in and it will pull up the nutritional for different things, and it will log it for you. So my Fitbit has definitely played a big part in helping me to lose weight and to keep up with my calories, to keep up with my menstrual cycle. It tells me when I need to move. I'm supposed to do so many steps in an hour. So if I'm not up moving throughout the day, it'll be like, hey, girl, get your ass up off the couch. So that's what I really love about this product. It helps you to be more accountable for getting up and moving your body. And when you're in a weight loss journey, or you have a weight loss goal, or you just want to be more active, this thing is definitely going to help you stay active. You can swim in this up to 50 meters. You can take a shower. And if it gets too wet, they recommend that you take it off and let it dry out completely. And then it's Gucci, honey. They recommend that you, if you're going to clean it with like a little mouth soap towel. Clean it, take it apart and clean it every now and then. And I'm going to show you how easy this thing is to take apart. So basically, you just take it off, sis. Okay? And like right now, I'm sweating. Okay? So what you do is basically you take it off and you hit these little buttons right here, and it just comes apart. And you just clean it. You know what I'm saying? It snaps back in. Also, this one is interchangeable. So if you want to buy different bands for it, you can. I only have the black band right now. And in the box, it comes with a large and a small band. So if you have a small wrist, then you'll use the small one. If you have a larger wrist, then you'll go to the larger one. I have a small wrist, so I stick to the small one. But it is good that they have options for bigger sizes. So that's one thing I really appreciated about it. Also, you can store your credit card information on your Fitbit, kind of like you do on your phone. So like if I'm out and I'm walking for a long distance and I want to stop by the commissary or something, I don't always want to carry my debit card when I'm on a run. I usually just carry an ID or a piece of paper with my name and address if if anything should happen to me. Like, I have information, people not trying to figure out who I am, and I'm not a Jane Doe, okay? I just roll up to the register. As long as it's one of those machines where you can like quick scan, like with your phone or anything, your information is right here on your Fitbit, sis. Okay, so you just, doop, doop, and it pays for whatever you need, honey. Okay, so it has a lot of different settings on here. You can keep up with the weather. You can get your emails. You can get your text messages. You can get Twitter alerts, honey. You can get Facebook alerts. Like, this thing really keeps you up. Like, sometimes if I don't forget to silence the notifications when I go to sleep, then honey, my wrist will be bumping and just okay. But I love it. I love the alarm clock on it. It wakes you up. You can set it to where it wakes you up easy or real quick. I am in love with this Fitbit. I was in love with the first one, but this one right here, sis, I really like. And if I could afford the new one that was coming out, well, you can put your music on it, I definitely would get it. But y'all know I'm not living like that unless Fitbit wants to sponsor me. But I definitely do appreciate the Fitbit. It does have a lot of features. The fact that it's waterproof, it's sweat proof. Sis, why didn't I upgrade earlier? But I definitely love this. So as you guys know, right now we're on our 30 days of fitness. So if you're interested in like tracking, and no, this video is not sponsored. If you're interested in like, you know, tracking or keeping up with everything that you have going on as far as your body, your heart rate, your calories, how much you're moving, how much you're not moving, this Fitbit will definitely do it for you. Like, she's it, honey. She's the shit. So with that being said, I love you guys. I'll see you back. I hope you guys enjoyed my review on this Fitbit. Because I'm not a watch wearer, but I keep this thing on, honey. I sleep in it. Oh, and it tracks your sleep, sis. It lets you know if your ass is getting enough sleep. And I started to see through my Fitbit that your sis was not getting enough sleep. So yeah, it tracks your sleep. It tells you when you fall asleep, how many restless hours you get. It do all that, and it will alert you if something go janky, okay? Real quick. So yeah, with that being said, I love you guys. I'll see y'all later. I hope y'all enjoyed my thoughts and updates on the Fitbit. You know what I'm saying? I'm just telling you what it is, sis. You know what I'm saying? I love you guys, and I'll see y'all later.